Hey guys, welcome to DIY Swag. This is Dia, and today, as you know, Rakhi is around the corner. So today's project is two types of Rakhi plates. So let's get started. This first one, I am using here steel thali. I'm starting with the pasting fabric on this plate, applying Fevicol over it and pasting fabric with the help of Fevicol. And again I'm using a net fabric over it to make it more beautiful. Now to cover the edges I'm applying some laces with the help of hot glue gun. If you don't have hot glue gun, you can apply it with the help of Fevibond as well. So you can add couple of laces to the edges as shown. Now for the outer edge I am using a Kiran lace to make it more beautiful. You can also use Pankha lace for the same. It will add more sparkling effect to the Rakhi plate or puja plate. After this I am using these left out diyas. These are candle covers or diya covers I had bought in Diwali season. So I'm using these katoris for akshat and roli, and other things I'm using is artificial flowers which you can easily get from any art and craft shop. You can paste them with the help of glue gun or Fevibond. Look how beautiful it is. To make it more beautiful, you can also add foam flowers. Paste the flowers as per your wish, as per your designing, as per your creativity, and it will make your thali, the festive thali, the Raksha Bandhan thali, beautiful. And tada, it's ready. Now coming up to our next plate. This one I had made from cardboard. Cut a cardboard as a leaf shape or as per your wish, the shape you want. Same way you can cut a piece of fabric. I am using here net fabric for overlay. But before pasting the fabric, I am painting the sleeve. I am using metallic yellow color. You can use any color of your choice. Now after drying this, we can apply with the help of Fevicol and we'll cover it with the net. Now to lift up the corners, I'm using here 1-inch stripe and I'm making it round. Now I'm pasting the same with the help of Fevicol, or you can use glue gun as well. Let it stick to the base. Now for katoris, I am making here leaf shape katoris from M-Seal. You can also make it similarly as I am showing. Make it like a small katori shape and let them set for half an hour or so. Meanwhile, we'll paint the edges. Now again I'm using this Kinari Kiran lace on the leaf edge. Add one more lace to the inner corner. Try to use sleek laces, not the thick ones. By this time katoris are ready and hardened. So I'm pasting these. These are looking beautiful as these are also in leaf shape. I'm painting it with metallic gold color. Now I'm using Fevicryl 3D colors and stones to make designs, and I'm pasting a small nariyal. I have got this from one of my old decorations, so if you have something like this Ganesha or nariyal, you can paste it accordingly if you have anything, or else you can make designs as I am making with the help of these 3D Fevicryl colors. You can make it as mandala designs and use your creativity to make designs more beautiful and charming. And at the end, when the designs are made up, you can add stones to make it more beautiful. Tada, it's ready. So guys, hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.